it's Emmy Cat, and today we have some LOL pets and some LOL babies, and this is series 3 of both. But first, we have some winners to announce.
So we are going to announce some giveaway winners right now, right? Yep. Okay, so first we have you remember when we did our Talkies vid and we did the, oh, look right behind you, the little Weensies. And we had a duplicate. Are they going to work?
Wake up.
Wake up. Yes, yes. How can we forget? We had a duplicate Hank the Dino. And so we have a winner for that. And the winner for that is Animal999 Cool AJ, who said, "Can you do more clothes shopping videos? Love you, Emmy." So, love you back.
We did.
You get, yeah, you get Hank Dino. And we did a Justice haul. So you did get on there and check it out if you haven't already. And then, okay, so our next giveaway is for our 500 subscribers, for when we hit 500 subscribers on our YouTube channel, which, oh my gosh, we're like 800 and something now.
809 million.
Yes.
My cat is in the Barbie garage.
Dennis is in the Barbie garage. Okay. So, all right. So for the 500 subscriber giveaway, the winner for that is Cute Diamond Sisters, who said, "My favorite color is pink." And that is also one of our favorite colors.
Yeah, but my extra favorite color is Rainbow Sparkle.
That's your extra favorite color?
Yeah, because
I know.
I love every single color except like the rose color.
The rose colors,
brown
yeah.
and black.
Uh-huh. Wait, you started to like black, though.
Well, only about the clothing.
Oh, okay. Only for clothes. Okay, I gotcha. Okay, so then for the last... This isn't the last giveaway, but this is the last one because we usually let them go around a week before we pick a winner. So for the LOL Pets giveaway, the first LOL Pets vid you did were we opened Hop's Kitty. The winner for that is Sarah and Fam, and she put Lilia, which is her daughter, would love a glitter pet. So I know. I don't know, is Splash Me On Made like the only glitter pet? Is there not? Because I thought Crystal Bunny was fuzzy.
Crystal Bunny is fuzzy and it has a
little bit of glitter. Yeah. Yeah. So we would love a glitter pet, too. We haven't got one of those. But
yeah, and if we get a duplicate, we'll send you that one.
Well, she won Hop's Kitty. So that's the one she's getting, which Hop's Kitty is super cute. So I'm sure her daughter will love that one. So she's the winner for that giveaway. Oh, okay. So there goes our winners for right now. You guys just need to... I will comment on the actual videos and with our email address, and you can email us with where to send it.
I want to get opening.
Okay, let's do it. Let's
You
get
have
opening.
one.
You're gonna give me one to open? Oh my gosh! Wait,
Yeah.
what? We're gonna okay.
And we're gonna race again, but I'm gonna say.
But she's
start.
gonna win. Okay.
First, we're gonna start with the babies.
We're gonna start with the babies, and then we'll go to the pets. Okay,
Alright,
that
so
sounds good. All right. Okay, so you have a baby and a pet, and I have a baby and a pet. And, oh, dang, I'm starting with the baby. Okay. Here goes mine. Okay. Yeah, I am not. What? I haven't even gotten the first zipper and zip. I need to, I need to sit with you one of these times
So,
and do it.
the first one that we were gonna get is a new one because we never opened it.
Right, we've never opened any of the Little Sisters before.
I got a book and a worm.
Well, of series 3.
I got a book and a worm.
Then it's probably Bookworm. Yep, that's what it is. So you got Bookworm. Okay, that's cool. And yeah, I might need.
Here's the clue.
Okay.
On the second
I'm gonna show that clue if I can just get this first layer unpeeled. Oh my gosh. Ah. Okay, I'm to my clue. So Emmy's clue is Bookworm, and then my clue is It's playtime. Cool.
It's
Okay. And yeah,
playtime.
this is, these are the very first 2 of the Series 3 Little Sisters that we've opened. So this is going to be like our first time seeing any of these clues and our first time actually seeing the checklist in person, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh, so all of the babies just color change.
Okay.
One.
So-
Like every single time there's just baby just color change.
Mhm.
I was wondering if they could do different stuff in this guys, but they don't.
Okay. So still just color change. Okay.
So basically, there's actually new babies, and there's some babies that they haven't like released in the sets, like of Lux. There's a Lux baby.
There's a Lux baby?
Yeah.
Whoa. Okay, so some of the big sisters that are already released, they're going to have matching babies now?
Yeah.
Awesome. We like to make mamas and babies, so.
All right, I'm already done.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
So.
Okay.
Oh, they come in pink packets.
Oh, that's really cool. That's a really pretty color pink. Okay. I'm getting my last layer open I got. Okay.
All right.
To mine too,
I'm
but
opening
yeah.
my baby first.
Okay.
Actually, first let's check out the checklist.
Okay, that's a good idea. And you got bookworm. So,
There's Diva.
oh my gosh, a baby diva. It's gonna be so fun to like. We're gonna have to. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in right here real quick.
Oh,
Here's all of
there's big
these
ones.
LOLs.
There's big ones. There's big ones.
What? Let me see. Oh yeah, that's the confetti pop. We have not found those yet. I've been looking, but yeah, we haven't found those yet. But I know now we can. Now we can actually see the.
Oh my goodness!
She's freaking out over the confetti. Let's see. Okay. All right. Let's check this out. So.
All right, I'm opening my baby.
Okay, so the Glitterati is Little Cosmic Queen and Little Sugar Queen. And then, 3 more on their way. So we have Athletic Club, Retro Club, Sleepover Club.
Oh my goodness!
Oh
So
my god.
wait, I want to check out.
I think that is from the, oh my gosh, the STEM Club. I'm pretty sure that's Little Can Do Baby.
I want to check out her Cassie.
How cute is that? Let me see her. Let me show everybody what she looks like. Oh my gosh. Yep, that's Little Can Do. Cute. Yay! Oh, she's adorable. Okay, are you getting her accessories? And I'll go ahead and open my baby. Oh, I love that. I love that bag. That's so cute. Adorable. Okay. Here we go. Let's see. Yeah, I do love this. Oh, is that? Oh no, that's accessories. Okay.
So hard.
Here's my baby. Okay, I'm probably just gonna have to like bite my wrapper. Are you biting yours? I know. That's what I figured. My old one hand. Okay, who did we get? It's somebody with pink hair.
It's Super Baby. It's Super Baby.
Oh my gosh. Oh, she's
I got it.
Oh, she's so cute.
We got a pink keychain.
Okay, so that's the so Playtime is the theater club, and yeah, that's Little Super Baby. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. And then so these 2 are new, and I guess their big sisters are gonna be in the confetti pop when we finally find them. So now let's get their accessories out, okay? And then we'll come back. I'll be able to do it faster with 2 hands. So here they are.
There they are. As cute as can be.
As cute as can be. Little Super BB has her little bag that
And
says,
she has a cape.
and she has a little tiny cape. It's so cute. And
This little baby, and she has. Oh, she's going to her library, and she has her book bag.
she's going to the library.
She has her book bag. It says
Alright.
she's searching about a book
On Google.
on Google instead of Google because they bull.
It's her baby.
And her passie's right there.
Awesome. And there she is with her. Let me see her.
Ugh.
With her
Everything's going into her
She's got her
bed.
passy out, and she's like, I don't even know. Her lips are a weird color.
She's saying, and she has lipstick on, and she's saying, because she found a rainbow, unicorn book.
On Google, she Googled it. That's hard to say. A rainbow unicorn. Yeah. All right, so let's get to the pets, shall we?
Oh yeah.
Okay, you
We're
ready? Race is on.
Wait,
You ready?
the race starts in 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh, you had your zipper ready. I have to turn him. Okay.
I'm already almost done.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. My clue says
What's it say?
fairy tale.
Wait, fairy tale?
Yes.
Great. Now I've already forgotten because we
I know.
fairy tale.
Mom, I know.
It wasn't cosplay, fairy tale. Okay, mine is play it cool. Check it out. I know.
Play it cool.
Yeah, fairy tale was I don't remember. I don't remember. Do you guys remember? I feel like I totally should remember, but
Tell us in the comments.
I think I have a checklist. Yeah. So why are we always? I feel like that's our life.
We never get ready.
checklists.
We never get ready for the video.
Well, I guess I just always think like, oh, there's a checklist around here somewhere, and then I just can't think of like where that somewhere is.
All right, there's that.
Okay.
Last layer for me.
Oh my gosh, you are so fast. Okay, I am on.
I've just been pressing cooking for 2. You got a golden ball.
Oh, how? What?
You got a golden ball.
How? I'm just working so hard on trying to beat you.
You got a golden ball.
I wasn't even paying attention.
You're so lucky.
Oh my
Well,
gosh.
I'm done.
Okay, I was seriously just working
got a
on
golden
here.
ball.
You take it. You
Ooh.
open it. It's a
Oh
gold
my
one. You gotta open it.
goodness.
I was just concentrating so hard on like trying to catch up with my layers that I did not even seriously didn't even look at the counter.
You are crazy. How'd you get this
I know.
golden ball?
How did I do that?
I'm not sure.
Who do you think it's gonna be?
I don't know. What if it's a bunny?
What if it's a crystal bunny? Or I think the other one would be like Splash Meow Maid, right?
Yeah.
But I mean, I guess it could be either one. I don't know. Play it cool. Right? Is that what the clue? That was what the clue was? I would have never known. I would have never known. What? You're not gonna open it?
No. You can do the honors.
Oh, Emmy, that's not nice.
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta see what you got first. Who?
We got a new one. We got a new one.
Yes! It's Cottontail
New
Cutie.
one.
I have been wanting to see that one.
All right, here's the check.
Ah, so much. Yes.
But you got it going ball. I just can't
adorable.
stop saying
I know. Just, yeah, it's like, okay, let's see who we
on our
got.
first. This is probably the first time that we've got the golden ball that fast.
I know, right? Okay.
This is like our
So-
5th ball.
Real quick, before I open mine, Cottontail Cutie is in the Storybook Club. So the Storybook Club is the clue that you got, which I already forgot what it was.
Fairy tale.
Fairy tale storybook. You should know that. We should know that. Okay.
Oh
All
my
right.
goodness.
So here I go.
Look how it landed when I popped it open. I popped it open and landed. just
Okay.
like
Are you
that.
guys ready to see? Since I get to do the honors. Oh my gosh.
Oh, you got it.
Even-
Wait,
I
you
know.
remember the ad said it's glittery.
Oh, that's right. So it should be like, it's golden. It should be glittery sand. Okay, so where's my, oh boy. Emmy,
Yeah.
open the character.
Okay. So fuzzy.
Yes, that's who you wanted. Oh my gosh. That is so cool.
me
She
one
is
ear.
glittery. She's got one ear like, let me see her. She's super glittery on her hair. Oh, she's leaping through the air. She's got one ear up and one ear down. That's super cute. And she's super fuzzy. I don't know if you guys are gonna even be able to see the fuzz. Can you see the fuzz?
Well, she's very fuzzy.
She is. Oh, look at her little bunny tail. Oh, she's so cute. I'm so excited.
Look at the
tiny
poop.
pony.
Look at the litter.
Oh, the litter. Okay. All right. The poop. Look at the poop. Wait, what? I'm like, I was actually like looking at her little like beauty. Like, where's the? I'm like, I thought they just peed. I didn't know they pooped.
Well, bunnies don't poop.
Bunnies don't poop. They actually like when they poop. I think it's like little tiny balls.
It is.
Anyway, whatever. To me, it is.
To me.
I can't get this. Oh my gosh, what's your sand look like?
Blue.
I like that. That's cool. Okay, I think I'm actually starting. Oh, there's a tear strip on it. Cool. On the underneath.
Yeah, there's a tear
You told me
strip.
that clue. That
Oh my goodness!
What are you finding?
This is.
That's for Cottontail Cutie.
It's golden.
Oh, that's right. Oh,
Wait, she comes with 2 accessories.
her accessory.
She comes with 2 accessories.
Really? Are you sure?
Mhm.
Oh, let me see what this. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's like a little coffee, like a little espresso with a bunny face in it. A golden little handle and bunny.
Huh?
Oh,
Where's
I
the
think that's
other
her only. I think that's her only one.
I
You
saw
don't think so?
something else.
You did?
I saw something.
Ooh, it is glittery.
Wait, I want to see.
Oh. Do you want to get the stuff out of this stand?
I want to see. Well, I want to get it out. It's blue and glittery.
It's like gold, blue and gold glitter. Yeah, what's in there?
Dennis.
Oh my gosh. Here. Dennis.
Want to come out?
You're not the duck, Dennis. You want to come out?
You want to come out? No.
Come out?
Yeah, you want to chill out?
Do you think you're a Barbie? Are you a Barbie girl in a Barbie world, Dennis? No.
His answer no. That's his answer.
Oh, Dennis.
She's like, no, I'm a boy.
Oh,
Then
no,
why do you like
no.
Barbie house so much? It's pink.
Well, it's from the days when we thought
Wait.
Dennis was a girl.
Mom,
All right, let's see what's in that sand.
Dennis's favorite color is pink.
I know,
Wow.
Dennis's favorite color is pink. That's all right.
So that and the Barbie house is pink, so that's probably why.
Yeah, well, I know.
He's just chilling.
How is he not supposed to like pink? He's your cat and you have so much pink.
Why doesn't he? Oh. He sits on my steps
Mhm.
over there. My pink steps.
But mostly he just loves, oh my gosh, the Barbie garage. And Barbies. He likes to eat Barbies.
Basically. He ate one of my Barbie's fingers.
He ate her hand off. I don't remember which one it was, but
Oh,
where do you find him?
She has little cotton.
Oh. Do they have the inserts that you can pop out like the other ones did?
Nope.
Oh no, let me see. Here.
No insert.
Did that one? Let me see it.
Maybe the other one was just like
Here.
so lucky.
Oh my gosh. Okay,
No
these are like
inserts.
little, yeah, little like heeled shoes with like little pom-pom balls on them.
On the end.
Oh my gosh, how cute. Okay, let's dig the, oh look, it looks like a little open-toed shoe too. That's a little bit of sand peeking out. Oh my gosh, those are so cute. Okay, we gotta get,
Open in the accessories.
okay, we're gonna get the sand out and get them fixed up.
Wait, you haven't showed the accessories.
What accessories? Oh, well, yeah.
We'll dress them up and it's going to be a surprise for you.
There you go.
We are all done in. There they are.
We got them all fixed up.
Get a close up.
Okay, we'll get a close
The
up.
glittery fuzzy one.
Oh, yeah.
She's hard to stand up.
Crystal Bunny. Look at her bottle. It's so sweet. And Cottontail Cutie. Oh my gosh, they're so cute.
Pop, pop,
I love
pop,
both
pop,
of them.
pop,
And then, of course, the super glittery sand.
And,
And, of course, we don't want to...
blue.
And the blue sand, and we don't want to forget the babies. They're over there. They're going to go visit the pets in a minute, right?
Yeah. So give it a big thumbs up and unicorn on to my next video and smash that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time. Goodbye, fans. Ostrich nose.
Ostriches don't have noses. Have you been dipping into the Coke again?
No. I don't have any Coke in my fridge. No!
See you next time, guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye!
Bye.